Hello everyone, this is our 49th video tutorial under the GCSE topic revision guide called Real Life Graphs. And on this topic we are going to discuss about conversion graphs and real life graphs, liter to gallons, euros to pounds conversion. How can we do that with the help of graph? So there's no theory on this topic. Straight away we can go to the exam style questions. Hi everyone, this is the tutorial we are going to discuss in this video session. You can download the tutorial from our website at www.smart-tutors.co.uk/worksheet.php. Under the Year 11 section, you can download this tutorial. Yearly membership £24 allows you to download the tutorial from our website in PDF format. Let's look at the first question. Question number 1, a conversion graph for kilometers and miles is shown. Use the graph to convert 40 kilometers to mile. So 40 kilometers to mile means, so basically you need to draw a 40 kilometers line, which is this line. So you need to draw a straight line. So let me take a ruler, and a 40 kilometers line is somewhere here, and that one towards to this one is 25. So the answer for this question is 25 miles. Second question, use the graph to convert 10 miles to kilometer. So 10 miles to kilometer, so 10 miles to kilometer, so that is going to become something like that. So here 15 to 16, so the answer is 16 kilometer. Question number 3, convert 200 kilometers to mile. So 200 kilometers, we already convert 40 kilometer equal 25 miles. So 200 means this is times by 5. So 200 kilometer times by 5. So 125 miles. That is the answer for the question number 1. Question number 2, a conversion graph for liters and gallon is shown. Use the graph to convert 6 gallons to liters. So 6 gallons means from here 6 gallons. So we need to convert from here, straight line, and from there, that's it. And so 25 to 30, 27 liters. So that is the answer for the thing. So 27 liters. Question number B, actually this is question number B. Use the graph to convert 10 liters to gallon. So 10 liters to gallon means, so you need to draw that one. So from here, so here, so 2 and 3, so 5 boxes, so 2.2 gallons. So 2.2 gallons. Question number C, Alan's car drives 52 miles per gallon. Work out how far he can drive with 45 liters of fuel. So 45 liters of fuel means you need to convert that 45 somewhere here. So that straight away come to 10 gallons. So 45 liters, you need to say 45 liters equal 10 gallons, right? In 1 gallon it can go 52 miles. So 10 gallons is going to be 520 miles. So that is the answer for the question number C, 520 miles. Question number 3, use the fact 5 miles equal 8 kilometer to draw a conversion graph on the grid. So 5 miles equal 8 kilometers. So that is the point here. 5 miles equal 8. So 10 is 16. So that is the line you need to draw. So if we can connect, that is the line. So use the graph to convert 8 miles to kilometers. 8 miles to kilometer. So 8 miles. So let's do a perpendicular line. So 8 miles. So here 8. So it's 12, 14. So between that is 2 units, and divide by 2 units, divide by 5 small boxes. So 2 divided by 5 is 0.4. So 0.4 means 12, 12.4, 12.8. So 12.8 kilometers. 6 kilometers to miles, 6 kilometers to mile. So what you want to do is 6 kilometer here, and 2 miles is somewhere here, and drop somewhere here. And this is 3 and 4. So 1 unit divide by 5 is 0.2. So 3.8. So 3.8 miles. Question number 4. So there's a pounds versus US dollars and euro versus US dollars is given. Change 30 pounds in euros. So 30 pounds in euros. So you need to draw a line, 30 pounds here, and 30 pounds equal. So it's going to become something like that. So it's between the halfway through. So $45. So $45 somewhere here, it's going to be, so $45 is going to be somewhere here, and you need to do, so this is 42 euros. So the answer 42 euros. So again, it's a graphical method, so you need to be not accurate one. So 30 pounds means from here you find the $45. From the $45 you found the 42 euros. Change 200 euros in pounds. So 200 euro means, so first of all we'll do 50. So 50 euros is going to be, if you drop the line here, so 50, 55. So 50 euros, so 50 euros equal $55. So $55. So if you times this by, so let's say before you times, $55 is how much is pound? 55. So you draw a 55 line somewhere here, and that is going to be something like that. So 30, so 38. So which is equal 38 pounds. Right, so this times by 4, so 200 euros. This times by 4, and 4 times 8, 32, 3, 4 times 3 is 12, 15. So 152 pounds. So 152 pounds is the 200 euros. That is the question number 4. Question number 5, the graph is given, convert 50 pounds into dirhams. So 50 pounds into dirhams means 50 pounds here. So draw a perpendicular line here, and that is coming here somewhere. So nearly 250 dirhams. So it's an approximate method. So 250 dirhams. Convert 225 dirhams into pounds. 225 dirhams into pounds means, so do 225 dirhams is 45 pounds. So 45 pounds is the answer for the 225 dirhams. Tom wants to buy a camera. In London, the camera costs 380 pounds. So 380 pounds is the camera. In Abu Dhabi, the camera costs 2000 dirhams. So in Abu Dhabi, the camera costs 2000 dirhams. So the same camera in London costs 380 pounds. In Abu Dhabi, it's cost 2000 dirhams. In which city is the camera cheaper and by how much? So in which city is the camera cheaper? So first of all, what we can do is, here is a conversion. I can see a quick conversion. 200 dirham equal, so exactly 40 pounds. So 200 dirham, so that is the conversion. 200 dirham equal 40 pounds. And if you have 2000 dirhams, so it's going to be 400 pounds. So in Abu Dhabi, it's going to be cost 400 pounds, and in London is 380 pounds. In which city in the camera cheaper and by how much? So we can say in London, so in London it's cheaper compared to Abu Dhabi by 20 pounds. So that's the answer for the question number 5. Question number 6. Here in this graph section, before we end up with this graph section, we are going to be doing some real time graphs. This is the ink bottle. There are 8 containers that are being filled with the water at a constant rate. Draw a graph to represent the height of the water in a container as a function of the volume of water in the container. So it's the larger cross section here. So the larger cross section is what? It's going to be, when you are filling the water, it's going to be increasing the height, the volume is increasing, and there is a conical surface here, and the rate of increasing is higher, rapidly increasing, and then up to this point, if the cross section is smaller, is very rapidly increasing. So I'm going to draw the graph, so in 3 sections. So first section is like that, and the second section is going to be a curve, and the third section again gradient straight line. So we need to understand clearly. So 3 sections, this one and this one and this one. So this one is the gradient, smaller gradient, because wider cross section. A rapidly increasing curve, then rapidly increasing straight line, because the cross sectional area getting smaller. Then the next second one, a conical one, rapidly increasing. So this is rapidly increasing one. So here the vase is rapidly increasing, and after that is going to be gradually increasing. So the graph is going to be rapidly increasing, then it's going to be gradually increasing. A flask, like a spherical graph, and here rapidly increasing, then it's not rapidly increasing, it's a gradually increasing, right? So it's gradually increasing, then rapidly increasing, then it's a low smaller cross section, then it's a straight line. So this graph is going to be have a 3 parts. So it's going to be like that and like that, and it's going to be a straight line from here to here. So it's going to be 3 section here, here, here. So question number 7. A bucket here, the cross sectional is increasing, so it's going to be gradually increasing. And the next one is 2 different gradients. So one is going to be slowly increasing, and after that is going to be rapidly increasing. And this one is rapidly increasing first, then slowly increasing. Then this one is rapidly increasing, then is gradually increasing. So gradually increasing means like that. So that is all the types of graph it can come. So that is the end of the video tutorial. I hope you liked the video. If you do like the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch all the upcoming video. If you like the video and you like to download the tutorial in a PDF format, please visit our website at www.smart-tutors.co.uk/worksheet.php. Thank you so much.